Nah, jadi guys, ini pagi-pagi sekali kita mau bikin kue nih, karena nyonya mau ulang tahun, jadi kita semuanya harus bikin sendiri semua karena kita lagi karantina mandiri di rumah nih, semuanya pada sakit. Nah, jadi dari yang namanya bikin kue, dekorasi segala macam kita bikin sendiri nih. Jadi kita manfaatin apa sebisanya aja, apa yang ada di rumah. Oke guys, dan ini nih prosesnya nih, para kurcaci melakukan proses pembuatan kue dalam waktu yang mendadak. Oke guys, thank you. Here we go. Nah, jadi sekarang kita mau ngerayain birthday-nya mamanya anak-anak karena kebetulan kita lagi pada sakit, jadi nggak mau nyebarin penyakit ke orang-orang. Jadi kita karantina mandiri selama 2 minggu dulu di rumah nih. Jadi kebetulan birthday-nya sekarang, jadi kita semuanya bikin sendiri, dari kue, dari ornamen sampai kartu, ini sampai kartu ucapan selamat juga bikin sendiri nih. Nah, ini kartu ucapan yang dibikin oleh Nike. Right. Kartu ucapan oleh Nike. Apa nih bisa Nike? Nah, ini dibikin sendiri nama Nike. Oke. Nah, ini kartu happy birthday dari Gawe nih. Apa nih? Entah apa nih, gue juga nggak ngerti. Nah, ini hadiahnya di dalam. Hadiahnya di dalam dan kartunya dibikin sendiri oleh Gabe nih. Kadonya. Alright. So, sekarang ini kue yang udah kita bake. 28. I'll take care of it, Nagi, because I need something.
I can make you a card.
Sure, yeah, let's do this. So, jadi ini kuenya yang kita bake dari tadi.
Here, Dad, pick a color, black or green.
Black, please, ya.
Take this.
Yeah,
Write
sure,
something.
yeah.
Write something on our cake.
Oke, sure, ya. Jadi kita belum pernah bikin kue sama sekali. Ini kita hanya ngelihat nih. Jadi kita bertiga masih naik sama Gawe. Kita bikin sendiri kuenya, rasanya kayak apa setelah kita bake. Ini nih. Jadi hasilnya jadinya begini nih. Nah, sekarang lagi dekorasi nih. What are you doing, Gab? Yeah, what are you doing now?
I'm doing decorations.
You're doing decoration for the cake? For Mommy's birthday? Okay. What are you trying to do now?
Heart.
What does it say?
It's a heart, Dad. It
Oh,
says happy birthday.
Oh, it's a heart. Oh, it's a heart. Okay.
Dad, did you write something?
Well,
On the cake.
On the cake.
yes, I will. No
The
worry.
burger I gave you, it's edible.
Oh. Oh, gitu. Jadi ini dikasih masih naik ke apa namanya?
I'm supposed to put something on it.
I will, ya. So, ini ada marker katanya buat kue dan ini edible. Jadi nggak beracun, bisa dimakan kok ini.
Yeah. Do it lightly, please.
You are apa, Gabs? What do you mean to say to Mommy?
You aren't allowed to do anything. It's yours.
Like what?
Put
You
anything on
are
the cake.
the best. Oh. Okay. Now. So, Gabe, taruh lilin.
You put in the candles?
Masuk ke lilin. Ya, put the lilin.
Okay. What do you...
Wait, yeah, I have an idea.
What is it?
Have 40 and then leave a space in the middle. 4, 3.
Okay, let's have the sparkler.
Sparkler, where's sparkler?
What is it?
Here.
And I'm gonna wake Mommy up?
Not yet. I have something. I'm making you a card, okay? I want you to write in this after, okay?
I'm so hungry.
Oke, naik bikin kartu nih
This is
dari
for
saya
you,
karena
Dad.
kita
This is
nggak keluar.
because you didn't make one.
Because I didn't make one, jadi naik bikin kartu dari saya buat nyonya.
Dad, do you want to write in here or do you want me to write in there?
Write something for me.
Dad, inside that, do you want to write in pencil or pen?
Pencil. Okay. Jadi are we ready?
No, Gavin, hurry, go get Pencil.
Yeah.
Come on guys, hurry up. Because it's gonna be school time soon, eh? Now it's almost 8 o'clock.
We know.
Yeah, because you have to start school at 8:30, right?
Almost. Just adding finishing touches to your card.
Okay. So ini nih hasil kuenya. Hanya ngelihat dari ini kita bake sendiri. Rasanya kayak apa kita kurang tahu. Ini baru pertama bikin kue beginian nih. Dengan arahan Captain Nike. Your name is Captain Nike or Chef Nike?
Dad?
Yeah. Okay, you guys ready?
Just finishing hollowing this.
Okay. Alright. Okay. Jadi itu dia saudara-saudara.
Okay, Dad. Would you like both pages to write on? Or
No, one is enough. One is enough for now. I'm gonna buy the real one later, Naki, because we're gonna celebrate on the other day, right? As soon as we feel better. Okay?
Okay, but this is for now.
Yes. So that's why just leave it. Yes, fine. That's good, Naki. Yeah, Naki. School is coming very soon.
Just let me draw something that I want you to write it.
Okay. Jadi guys, thank you. Ini kita udah mau persiapan nih. Kita harus bawa ke atas. Dan there you go.